What's going on? Welcome back to the channel for another video. So not long ago, I casually mentioned to a few people that I had thought about starting a podcast. You know, just for fun. No niche, no plan, just rambling. You know, peak chaos energy. And the universe, in all its infinite meme potential, actually responded. So this box shows up from a company called FIFINE. Yes, that's fine with a little extra fi at the start. Now, they asked if I'd be interested in trying out their K688CT microphone. It's designed for podcasting and streaming, gaming, pretty much everything. Now, I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, but Jeff, this isn't a camera or a lens. And you'd be right. Well, unless this mic is spying on me. But this is content related, and it's a piece of budget gear that may or may not help some of you guys out. So I figured, why not? So let's crack this open like a fresh bag of coffee. All right, so let's see. Open up, right out of the gate, manual. Cool. All right, so we take this off. What do we got? All right, so let's start with the arm. I mean, it's not bad quality at all. Feels just like my other one. We have the USB-C. Yeah, USB-C cable. Phone mount. No, that's not a phone mount. This is what connects it to the table. Phone mount. And that doesn't want to go back in. And then that's it, right? And last thing in there is the mic. Now this doesn't feel bad at all. It's decent weight. It doesn't feel cheap. So, yeah. So first impressions, I mean, this mic, it feels nice, like suspiciously nice. The boom arm is sturdy. The mic itself has the I've got my life together weight to it. But let's be honest, everything looks great under mood lighting and cinematic B-roll. So is this all looks and no hooks? Let's find out. I'm testing out my new microphone. It's a FIFINE. It's pretty cool so far.
Oh, FIFINE.
FIFINE.
So fine.
Yes. So it sounds pretty cool so far.
I just want to let you know about this new mic that I've been using. I got it from a friend of mine. His name's Jeff Gresham. I'll link his channel in the description below. But the mic is a FIFINE or FIFINE. It's a K688CT. And I had the opportunity to listen to it earlier today when we were testing our new podcast that we were going to be making. And I have to say, it sounds really crisp.
So I handed this over to JD, who's been doing a bunch of game streaming. Because, well, let's face it, if there's someone who will stress test a mic, it's a guy yelling at lag in real time.
You son of a...
We tested it while he streamed, did some overdubs like this one, even did a podcast, and let me tell you, this thing holds up big time. This has been a decent little fun test thing. It gave me a chance to test my FIFINE mic, which, what do you guys think? How do you think it sounds?
You make me want to edge to the max.
I think it sounds wonderful.
All right.
It sounds nice.
Good.
It's real crisp, real nice, real affordable. I think you'll like it, especially if you're on a budget. But hey, don't take it from me. Go look it up yourself. There are plenty of reviews online.
Okay, so let's talk features. Because this mic, it's not just a pretty face. It has dual connectivity. So it has a USB-C for the plug-and-play squad and XLR for the pros who spend way too much time on audio forums. The dynamic cardioid capsule, it picks you up and ditches your annoying background noise. Now, this is great for untreated rooms or roommates. It has a touch mute button that's silent, clean, and has an LED indicator. It has real-time monitoring with zero latency, no weird delay that makes you feel like, you know, that you're talking into a black hole. Gain knobs, right on the mic, no software, no drivers, just twist. The shock mount feels premium, looks serious, and cuts out vibrations like a champ. But here's the real kicker. This whole kit is under $100 on Amazon, which in and of itself is borderline criminal considering how good it actually sounds. Now, compared to my HyperX Dualcast, it's right there with it. In some ways, it's actually even better. So yeah, color me impressed. This is one of those rare budget mics that doesn't feel budget, it just works. I'll go ahead and drop a link to FIFINE's website in the description. Check them out. They have headphones, monitors, other mics, audio interfaces, the whole shebang. But hey, you tell me, is this the kind of gear that you would snag for your setup? Or are you clinging to your expensive mic like it's your firstborn because of the fancy logo? Let's talk down in the comments. So if you like this video, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and click the bell to be notified of future videos. Also, visit my website, jeff-gresham.com, to grab my Lightroom presets pack that features 13 presets that I designed for all my photo projects. And until next time, get out there and shoot. And I'll catch you in the next video. I gotta go now.